Ever wondered how to make your dashboards truly dynamic? Let's dive into integrating AWS S3 with Streamlit. Imagine having real-time data at your fingertips. With Streamlit and AWS S3, you can do just that. In our hands-on bootcamp, you'll learn to connect your Streamlit dashboards directly to AWS S3 datasets. Why does this matter? Real-time insights mean faster, smarter decisions. No more waiting for updates or manually refreshing data. Our expert-led sessions will guide you through every step, from setting up your AWS S3 bucket to seamlessly integrating it with Streamlit. You'll get practical experience and personalized support, ensuring you can apply these skills immediately. Join us and revolutionize your data visualization game. Sign up now and bring your dashboards to life with the power of real-time data. Boost your productivity, impress your team, and stay ahead of the curve. Click the link to get started. Let's make data work for you.